So here's a lot of the trees and things that have fallen down, and it's really very nice. I guess it is the January thaw. You see the winds brought down a bunch of branches, but there's no snow anywhere in the woods here next to our house. Nothing. And so it's really nice. And Desi is walking on the leash. Well, trying to at least. So we'll see how this goes. This is a lot of the rock that is in these mountains, as you can see. See, the lake is, okay, see, now here's the lake. You'll see on the edge, it's not frozen. You'll see out there, there's a open spot. You do not want to walk on this now, whereas last week or two it has frozen. It will freeze up again if we get the temperatures we're supposed to. I wish we'd get unseasonable, but no, it'll freeze back up again. But there it is, you know, frozen from this angle, semi-frozen.
Start jogging, honestly. Start jogging. I need Daddy.
Ethan just said,
I need to go pee.
That's nice. Keeping it real. Ethan said, who did these perfect cuts over here? And Luke said, God. So yeah, you definitely don't want to be walking on the ice today at all.
Look behind you.
I'm taking a video. And there, yeah, you've got the whole part of the lake open. And there's the doggy, doing okay, walking on the leash as long as he's running ahead. He met another little dog, a beagle. It's probably an older beagle with an older couple that was walking around. And he did really well. Say hi. Look, it looks like deer antlers right there, doesn't it? I lost the drone. This is where I lost the drone last year. Okay, so we're in the back of the house.
Yeah,
The lake is not safe for walking on. Desi's on the dock for the first time. Sun's out. It's warm, but my hands are cold after walking around the lake. And when I say warm, it's relatively speaking. Some of you would probably consider it frigid, depending on where you live. How's the water, Ethan?
Cold.
It's cold?
I broke that piece of ice.
You broke that piece of ice? It's much different than when you walked on the lake the other day, right?
No.
You can't, it is. You can't walk on it now. Totally cannot walk on it now. Totally cannot walk on it now. Right? Absolutely not. Is this safe? Is this dock safe, Ethan? Is this safe to walk on?
Mom, check the temperature of the... Mom,
Yeah.
I want to check the temperature of the lake, Mom.
Okay. You're going to check with the duck? You're going to check the temperature of the lake?
That's the temperature thing.
Okay.
You can't see. It needs to be cleaned off.
What's the temperature of the lake? This is the same lake that I'm swimming my brains out in. Totally different. There's this like small private plane flying around. Flying back and forth, so I imagine somebody's probably practicing for their license. There's a small private airport nearby. And it's actually a nice sound along with the day. But anyway, here we have it.
Wait, on the way, I want to fly. I'm going to crash.
You know, there is some ASMR that they do with the sounds that the ice makes. And the ice does make sounds. Especially when it went from what it was to this. Cracking, popping sounds. Yeah, you're like on an iceberg. No, you're an island. You're on an island. Careful, don't fall in, Ethan.
That's how I did the cracker.
Be careful.
I'm pulling it back. Mom, Ethan's got his hands on this side.
What if you went in on a boat and you slowly gathered all the ice and threw it on the land, and then the lake wouldn't be frozen anymore? Maybe you would stop some kind of weather activity.
What do you mean? There's still... But the...
Yeah, but maybe not as much. You could affect how much ice forms if you did something like that.
Push it under it?
Yeah, I would not do that. Just let it stay over here so that it can freeze easier and stuff. You feel right on it sooner.
Okay. No, this looks like our lake.
That line, see that line right there? Look, that line right there.
That looks like a foot. That looks like a foot.
That one?
Yeah, with a big toe and a foot, kind of. Well, without the, but that's got a scraggly heel.
But look how from Mark. That's not even an inch deep. We're not even allowed to go in. That's an inch.
Yeah, it might be an inch. It's close to an inch, maybe. That over there is an inch at least.
He said it has to be.
Look at this little piece. Looks like angel wings.
He said at least it has to be.
This piece looks like angel wings. It does.
Let me get it.
No, leave it alone. It looks nice there.
I could move a whole ice. This piece. No, Mom's smarter than me. Mom, how thick do you think that is?
We don't use centimeters.
I can't see too well because you could be deceiving. It looks like it might be thicker than you think it is.
Your shoes all wet.
I think it's thicker than you think that it is. They're not.
It freezes to death.
It's just the past 2 days it got warm, so tomorrow's gonna be chilly. Hey guys, you gotta be careful because I don't want you guys moving around and breaking that dock loose too far in the ice. It is loose.
I have to move his whole leg's ice. Just chillax at me.
It's January 12th,
So a baby, it can
2020. Luke, do you know what the temperature is?
No, it won't show, but it's at least 32. Oh yeah. It's 55.
55?
55.
I can't drive 55.
What?
I can't drive 55.
You can't drive?
55.
Wait.
It's a song. Sammy Hagar.
Actually, it's not. It was probably the last time you were connected to your watch. It was supposed to be getting cooler. So it was 52 today, and now it's supposed to be at 46 degrees. So it's supposed to go down today. It's supposed to go down to by 7 o'clock. It'll be 32 degrees today. Right now it's 42. No, 4 o'clock it'll be 43. So it's dropping fast. Luke, you want the steady?
Those are a lot of the rocks that I picked out during the summer. Those are tasks undone. I never bothered to get them off the dock. We never ended up scraping this raft and putting the carpet on it either. So just more tasks that are undone. But what's the big deal, right? But isn't that the lesson that we learned last night in the writings of Jennifer Dulos, the late Jennifer Dulos? That it's not about checking off everything on your to-do list, right? And I'm definitely doing good for that. And I know that some of you are too, but we beat ourselves up about it. And there's really no reason to. We didn't get something done on Tuesday because we were doing something else. It could be because we were goofing off and not doing what we're supposed to, but probably maybe we spent some extra time, you know, taking a walk with our dog, or taking a walk with our kids, or going out with a friend, or whatever, and talking to a friend on the phone. And in the long run, those are going to be the moments that matter. Especially, you know, as we lose people that we love, that time that we took for them, even if we had something that was pressing, is going to matter more than what that pressing thing was. Enjoy the moments, guys. I gotta go with my kids. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.